Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Hub. Here you will find many videos useful for the English learners. This is the last video of the homonym series and today we will learn the words with more than one meaning. So the first word is address, ADDRESS. It has two meaning. One is pata और दूसरा संबोधित करना. Examples: do you still live at the same address? Next example: he addressed the assembly today. Another word is abstract. It also has two different meanings, nirakar and sankshep. Examples: the research shows that preschool children are capable of thinking in abstract terms. Number 2. Write the abstract in 300 words. BANK, bank, means bank where you deposit or withdraw the money. Another one is tat, means the edge of a river. Examples are I worked for a bank. Next example, he jumped in and swam to the opposite bank. BAR, bar, means madhushala, chhad या रोक. Here we have taken three different meaning of the same word. Examples are she was sitting at a bar. Another example, I ate 3 bars of chocolate. One more example, the principal will bar your entry in the school. BOW, bow, means pranam karna, dhanush या चाप. Examples: this is done with a formal bow to the king. Next example, he picked up his bow and shoot at the bird. Next example, she had a red bow in her hair. Next word, CHEST, chest, which has two different meanings, chhati or sanduk. Examples: her heart was pounding in her chest. Next example, in our family, we should have a medicine chest. CLIP, clip, means चलचित्र का भाग, video clip. And चिमटा. Examples: they are clips from the new James Bond film. Next example, the wire is held on with a metal clip. Next word, COMMUNE, commune, means साथ रहना या बातचीत करना. Examples: she lives in a commune. Next example, it is a place to commune with other women. COMPACT, compact, means sagn या समझौता. Examples: the students' rooms were compact with a desk, bed and closest built in. Next example, a compact was negotiated between the company and the union. Next word, CONDUCT, conduct, means sanchalan या आचरण. Examples: we are conducting a survey of consumer attitudes towards organic food. Next example, the senator's conduct is being investigated by the ethics committee. CONSCRIPT, conscript, means भर्ती करना या भर्ती किया हुआ. Examples: young Frenchmen were conscripted into the army and forced to fight in Algeria. Another example, the average number of conscripts in training has fallen from 80,000 to about 15,000. Next word is concert, means मेल खाना या बातचीत. Example, your actions do not concert with your principles. One more example, you should concert with your classmates. content, content means samagri or santusht. Example, the content of the media course includes scripting, editing and camera work. Next example, Andy was a good husband and Nikki was clearly very content. Next word is contest means pratyogita or chunav ladna. Examples are Stone decided to hold a contest to see who could write the best song. Another example, his wife is contesting a seat on the council. Convert means परिवर्तन करना और धर्मांतरित, one who changed his religion. Examples are the stocks can be easily converted to cash. Another example, she is a convert. Next word, drop means boond or girana. Example, the apples are beginning to drop from the trees. Another example, a single drop of blood splashed onto the floor. duck means बतख और बचने के लिए झुकना. Examples are every afternoon they went to the park to feed the duck. Another example, he had to duck as he came through the door. Next word, extract means निकालना और सार. Examples, they used torture to extract information about their families. Another example, I have only seen short extract from the film. fall means गिरना और झरना. Examples, September had come and the leaves were starting to fall. Another example, the area is beautiful in the fall. Next word, file means लिखित पत्र, नत्थी करना और दाखिल करना. Examples are every file on the same disk must have a different name. Another example, we begin to file out into the car park. Next example, file up all the papers. fine means ठीक और जुर्माना. Examples are if you want to use cheese instead of chicken, that's fine. Another example, offenders will be liable to a heavy fine. Next word, fit means उपयुक्त और स्वस्थ. Examples are his clothes did not fit him very well. Another example, you must be very fit if you do so much running. incense means sugandh or chidana. Examples are incense burned in a corner of the room. Another example, the decision incensed the workforce. Next word, letter, letter means patra or akshar. Examples are there is a letter for you. Another example, B is the second letter of the alphabet. manifest means प्रकट करना और घोषणा पत्र. Examples are the characters of the play must manifest their role physically. Another example, I was asked to present the manifest in the court. Next word, mind means buddhi or बुरा लगना. Examples, there were all kinds of thoughts running through my mind. Another example, I hope you don't mind the noise. minute means a part of time. And one more meaning, स्मरणार्थ लिखना means to write for remembrance. Examples are I will be back in a few minutes. Number 2, I would better minute that point. Next word, nail, nail means keel या नाखून. Examples, the key was hanging on a nail by the door. Another example, I have broken my nail. palm, palm means हथेली और ताड़ का पेड़. Examples are, he held the bird gently in the palm of his hand. Another example, the tropical tree which grows near beaches or in deserts with a long straight trunk and large pointed leaves at the top is coconut palm. Next word, park, park means क्रीड़ावन और एक निर्दिष्ट उद्देश्य के लिए समर्पित क्षेत्र. Examples, we went for a walk in the park. Another example, they had a sheet showing a car park and also cars to cut out. Point, point means bindu or sanket. He is just saying that to prove a point. Another example, everything seemed to point in one direction. Next word, polish, polish means chamkana or sudharna. Examples, I give it a polish now and again. Another example, your essay is good. You just need to polish it a bit. PROJECT project has 3 different meanings which are परियोजना, बाहर निकला हुआ होना और फेंकना. Examples are, the final term will be devoted to project work. Another example, we need to project its tip outside. One more example is, they sought advice on how to project a more positive image of their company. Next word, punch, punch means छेद करना और मुक्का. Examples are, these bullets can punch a hole through 20 millimeter steel plate. Another example, I managed to land a punch on his chin. RACE, race means दौड़ और जाति. Examples are, the tortoise and hare agreed for a race. Another example, he was humiliated by others for his race. Next word, ROCK, rock means धमाल करना और चट्टान. Examples are, couple formed a rock band with some friends while in college. Another example, to build the tunnel they had to cut through 500 feet of solid rock. SAW, saw means आरा या आरी and देखा, the past form of see. Examples are, saw is a tool that has a long blade with sharp points along one of its edges. Another example, last night I saw a lovely girl. Next word, TRIP, trip means yatra or ladkhanana. Examples are, we went on a trip to the mountains. Next example, someone will trip over that cable. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed it. For more such interesting videos, keep watching the channel. Thank you.